Hi Bio 5 and welcome to week 10. So cardio week went well. I had a lot of people visiting me for office hours, which is good. We're now in the part of the course where things are more tangible. You're actually imagining a heart and easier to see than a membrane protein. So that's exciting. We continue on to blood flow. This chapter 15 is separated into two separate weeks because it's a big chunk of work. So it'll go for 2 weeks. This Wednesday, I cannot have an office hour. I'm double booked at that time. So if you need some office hour time, just contact me and I'll make that up. We have no more lobsters. That was your last lobster this week. I know you'll feel really sad about that. But from now on, we just have cases. So you're solving cases and thinking about those. Remember to get help on those if you're lost. And Adam is good for that because he's been working on them, so we can help you out. The SI office, the Supplemental Instruction Office, is looking for an SI leader for anatomy for fall. For spring next year. So if you did really well in anatomy and you think that you can help other students out with the material online still, please contact me and I will put you in contact with who you have to speak to. About your drawings, those have been looking good. And some of them are pieces of artwork, which are amazing. So the only thing I need to remind you on those is use your own words if you can, because that's how it's going to stick in your brain, right? Because you're trying to remember all this. So I know you're copying some of the drawings, that's what you have to be doing. But if you can put the wording in your own words, it's going to help you. Your brain is going to absorb that in a different way. But I love looking at those. They're marvelous. They're really good. So keep up that great work and have a great week.